We will dissect the specific past costs of STEPN and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity, as opposed to mainstream thinking. If it's not too much trouble, sort of remember that you want to essentially take this forecast and each extremely other expectation with the aim that this explicitly is just the idea of some market master examiners, not to basically make reference to foreseeing something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. In any case, we will for the most part make an honest effort. How about we start, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking? STEPN past value investigation, in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per the scarcely the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of STEPN is 30 cents and GMT is right now position number 153 in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of STEPN is 600 million with a market cap of $181,027,154. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.56% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the genuinely current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. STEPN is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins in a significant manner. The GMT is down to nearly 23.62% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however, we don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment, which fundamentally is very critical. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT diminished by 42.090%. Killing an incredible really normal amount of 22 cents from its ongoing worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a decent purchase and open door for speedy interest amazingly. The 90 days cost change is near 22.99% and the cost course from a base commonly normal cost of 39 cents to pretty most extreme normal cost of 40 cents in the beyond 90 days. STEPN is somewhere near 19.89% with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around 42 cents and the base typical cost of basically was around 37 cents in beyond 4 months, which is very critical. We anticipate future STEPN cost expectations. GMT figure by applying profound man-made reasoning helps specialized investigation on the genuinely past value information of STEPN. We give our altogether kind of most extreme authentic information for the GMT coin which by and large incorporate actually numerous boundaries like sort of past value, STEPN market cap, STEPN volume and in every way that really matters, scarcely any sort of something else. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and generally need great profit from your speculations, generally try to peruse our forecast. STEPN value expectation 2023 according to the estimate and specialized examination. In 2023, the cost of STEPN sort of is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of 41 cents. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of 48 cents with the typical worth of 43 cents in an every practical sense, huge way. Or so they thought. STEPN value expectation 2024 the cost of STEPN is anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach at a genuinely least worth of 61 cents in 2024. The STEPN cost could truly arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of 73 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 63 cents all through 2024. GMT value gauge for 2025 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT. In 2025 the cost of STEPN is determined to be at around a base worth of 86 cents in a for the most part huge manner. The STEPN value worth can arrive at a limit of $1.08 with the typical exchanging worth of 89 cents in USD, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. STEPN value expectation 2026 the cost of one STEPN is supposed to reach at a genuinely least degree of $1.33 in 2026. The GMT cost can especially arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.50 with the typical cost of $1.37 all through 2026 in an unpretentious manner. STEPN value expectation 2027 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT. In 2027 the cost of STEPN is somewhat anticipated to essentially reach at a really least degree of $1.99. The GMT cost can arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of $2.29 with the typical exchanging cost of $2.04. STEPN value expectation 2028 STEPN cost truly is gauged to arrive at a practically the most minimal conceivable degree of $2.98 in 2028 in an unobtrusive manner. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest conceivable degree of $3.39 with the extremely normal gauge cost of $3.06, which is genuinely critical. STEPN Value Forecast 2029. The cost of STEPN especially is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $4.11 in 2029. The STEPN cost could generally arrive at a greatest worth of $5.12 with the kind of typical exchanging cost of $4.23 all through 2029. Or so they thought. STEPN Value Estimate 2030. The cost of STEPN is anticipated to reach at and in every way that really matters, least degree of $6.12 in 2030 in an unpretentious manner. The STEPN cost can in a real sense arrive at a greatest degree of $7.18 with the typical cost of $6.33 all through 2030, in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN Value Expectation 2031. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of STEPN is anticipated to reach at least degree of $8.86. The GMT cost can sort of arrive at a most extreme degree of $10.79 with the fundamentally normal exchanging cost of $9.11. STEPN Value Expectation 2032. STEPN cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal genuinely conceivable degree of $13 in 2032, or so they thought. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could in every practical sense arrive at a most extreme by and large conceivable degree of $15.63 with the by and large normal figure cost of $13.37. In a significant manner, STEPN Value Conjecture FAQs. What is the STEPN cost today? Or so they by and large thought. Today STEPN especially is exchanging at 30 cents with the market cap of $181,027,154, in opposition to prevalent thinking. How much does STEPN cost in 2024, which explicitly is genuinely huge? The cost of STEPN will increment as additional financial backers for the most part engage in the venture, which is genuinely critical. In year 2024, STEPN will be worth about a kind of normal cost of 63 cents. What is the fate of STEPN in an unobtrusive manner? The fate of STEPN really is exceptionally extremely reliant upon the for the most part generally speaking exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into GMT, you want to generally ensure that you are utilizing the right technique. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with a helter-kilter risk profile. Be that as it may, it truly is as yet a magnificent speculation for the people who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary situation in an unpretentious manner. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, GMT likewise truly offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing biological system. What amount will STEPN be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, STEPN will have a truly least cost of $2.29 and an especially most extreme cost of $1.99 per GMT. Since STEPN especially is exchanged on an organic market premise, its worth changes definitely. How high could STEPN at any point go incredibly? The exceptionally normal cost of STEPN could go to 43 cents before the current year's over, assuming we gauge the 5-year plan. It generally is assessed that the coin will effectively really come to the $2.04 mark.